In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Google Ads to create ad reports for your clients. Whether you're managing multiple campaigns or just want to keep track of your ad performance, being able to generate a detailed report is invaluable. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Google Ads website. You can simply type Google Ads into your preferred search engine or use the URL ads.google.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click it and enter your Google account credentials to access your account dashboard. If you're not seeing the sign in button, make sure you've visited the official Google Ads site. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home. Here you'll have an overview of all your existing campaigns along with their current performance metrics. This is where you can manage and create new ad campaigns, but today we're focusing on reporting. Look for the Campaigns tab on the sidebar. Clicking this tab will take you to a detailed view of all your campaigns, listed neatly for easy navigation. With the campaigns in view, we are now ready to start the exporting process. Look for the download button. This option is usually near the top of your campaign list, accompanied by an icon that resembles a downward arrow. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various download options. In the drop-down menu, select Google Sheets. This option allows you to download your data directly into a Google Sheet, making it easy to store, share, and analyze. Choosing Google Sheets keeps your data within the Google ecosystem, which is perfect if you regularly use other Google services. After selecting Google Sheets, you'll be prompted to click on Download to Google Sheets. This action finalizes the export process, and shortly afterward, a new Google Sheet will be created in your Google Drive, containing all the exported data from your selected campaigns. Exporting your campaign data into a spreadsheet provides you with a lot of flexibility. You can share the spreadsheet with clients, use it to generate visual reports, or perform deeper data analysis to fine-tune your marketing strategies. It's an effective way to maintain transparency and track performance over time. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your Google Ads data into a Google Sheet, ready to be shared and analyzed as needed. Thank you for watching, and be sure to let me know in the comments if you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.